do we have any kind of big down move happening in any of the stocks? The answer is big no. Okay, it won't happen like that. Today and tomorrow maybe. And look at even on the gainer side, we don't have anything. This is Nifty and Bank Nifty. Here I can select F&O securities, futures and options. How many stocks moving up here? For example, JSW Energy, that is up by some 5%. Idea, we don't trade it at all. Adani percentage, like hardly about 2 or 3 stocks that are up by 2%. That means momentum on the upside is absolutely missing, no doubt at all, and it will have to miss. Okay, and look at even to the downside also, there are no stocks which are really moving up by a big way there. Okay, please avoid. Okay, so these are the days wherein I want to avoid trades here. Everybody, one thing please do remember, here market is going sideways. Okay, no doubt about it, and it does go sideways for, like, let us say almost 70% of the time. Only 30% of the time you will get to see trending move. Trending move meaning like some continuous move on the upside or some continuous move to the downside there. We do get those kind of move only 30% of the time. 30% of the time meaning out of 100 days if you consider. Okay, so 30 times you'll get to see some big move, and 70 times market will remain sideways there. Okay, so for example here, just give me 1 second. Everybody, if you go and just Google, right, in a year we get 252 sessions, trading days, because Saturday and Sunday will always be holiday. In between we will get for 2000, hope you know that for 2025 we will get around 14 holidays, correct? And removing all those things, we get around 250 trading days. Okay, now everybody please do remember, out of 250 days, as per the statistics, market can give you the move of like trending move only for 75 days, and remaining all the 175 days it will be like this only. Now you need to develop skills and gain that knowledge to protect your money in all these days and make money in all these days here, as simple as it is. Okay, that is the stats. Okay, you just go and have a look at any of the charts there, be it stock, be it index. Of course there are some exceptional cases wherein the stock volume is small and it will always be on the upper circuit. I'm not including those stocks. I'm talking about the F&O stocks, futures and option stocks, and Nifty, Bank Nifty, like NSE, all these things. Okay, not penny stocks. So now here everybody please do remember, as I said, only 75 to maximum 100 days we can get some trending days there. Otherwise remaining 150 to 175 days market will go sideways. Now what I needed to do, I needed to have that proper knowledge. Okay, say for example here, like, hope you all have seen, like, I conducted the sessions in all these days here, 4 days. Was there any day wherein I got frustrated because of the sideways market? Was there any day I got some angry on the market because of the sideways move? Or was there any day in all those four days, like, I skipped all the rules and the strategy pointers, steps? Was there any day like I skipped everything and took the trade randomly because of some move happening? The answer is big no. If I would have done that, today I would be sitting in a loss of around 2 to 3 lakhs in the last week. Okay, which is better? Is it just 74,000 profit or losing some 2 to 3 lakhs because of from some random trading? Correct? So hope you all have seen in your account, like, most of you trade randomly only, no doubt about it. So what happens? You'll always be on the losing side. Which is better? Is it no trade or losing money? If you ask me, like, no trade is a better option there. Okay, because when market starts to give a move like this, then we will be just like watching the game. Okay, market is going down. मेरा पास इतना पैसा है तो I would have taken a trade and I would have made money. So instead of doing all those things like let us wait for the market to give us a breakout. So were we successful here in identifying this false breakout? Yes, the answer is yes. Like what did we do? We waited for it. The market went above that, but it did not give us any move. Hence, what did we do there? We just skipped. We did not go for any trade there. Specifically, I did not go for any trade. Right? Then what happened? The market protected me because I respected it. Okay. So like that, I want you to like learn this. Very important one. The market will not go anywhere. Okay, it will be here only. It will give you the breakouts. It will give you the quick moves, small moves, easy moves, complicated moves. One rule, pretty simple. Whenever market is going in a range, avoid taking the trades. Okay. Let's see like what will be happening, and look into this one, everybody. Like nothing is happening. Like it's just went up after the first 2 to 3 minutes, then again not sustaining at the highs of the day. बैंक निफ्टी also यहाँ पे एक बड़ा मूव मिला है, but it is not above any resistance. Again it collapsed. So one thing I wanted to check here, everybody. Buyers are like exhausted. Okay, what is the word? Buyers are exhausted, meaning they are trying to take the market up, but the thing is it is not sustaining at any higher level. Exhausted meaning they are trying to take market on the up, they are deploying money, but they don't have sufficient money. They are like again to take it further there. Okay, otherwise like these things would not have come here. This would have continued to move on the upside. So buyers are exhausted. Buyers are not really powerful here. Okay, so let us see like next 2 days. If you are very compulsive trader, 2 things you can do here. What is that? Identify some solid support and resistance. At resistance, this is where we have to buy the put options. At support, this is where we have to buy call options, but the accuracy will not be that great. Let's see what happens. Will there be any continuing? Maybe not. This is where it is going to die only. Otherwise like we would have got a clear cut move by this time only. Like look into this one. It's been almost 10 minutes. Is there anything that has got changed here? The answer is no. For example, big stocks like can you see here? ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, Bajaj Finance. All these banks are absolutely flat. Okay, Bajaj Finance, NBFC, right? And again even ITC, that is also flat. It is 0.3%. Okay, so nothing is happening. And even in the loser side here, everybody, is there anything big thing happening to the downside? For example, Reliance is down. Is it big by big way? Is it down by a big way? The answer is no. How about SBI? Just the 0.49. How about Infosys? How about any other stock here, big stock? The answer is no. So we are not getting any kind of big down move or up move here. Like everywhere it is flat market. Okay, so very important, like please avoid going for any random trades. Okay, I repeat it again, everybody, please go like avoid going for any random trades. See, for example, this keeps on just giving the rotational move. It won't give you that kind of really big move here. Okay, so the structure of the market for the next 2 days will be like just the sideways one. It's not going to give you like any kind of really big moves. It will be just very small here. Okay, now everybody I will tell you something which is related to the mindset. Okay, like just give me 1 second. Nifty anyhow One thing please do remember, like I'll just show you something on Friday here. Okay, everybody look into this range here. Okay, whenever you get the market moving in these range, okay, that is really sideways zone here, correct? That was Friday's zone. Everybody, market went up initially, then down, then it gone sideways here, correct? So whenever you get a move like this, and if again market try to go in that range, don't expect that continuity there. Like, of course, out of 100 times, 10 times it would have given you the move, no doubt at all. But most of the times what happens, again market will do the same thing. Okay, it will again try to rotate only. So just be careful. So let us see, and even Bank Nifty also, here it has got really very tight range. Okay, so please be careful here. Like even till 51,000 रास्ता बराबर नहीं है यहाँ पे, बड़ा मुश्किल है. Meaning that the road is not that clear. If you are expecting a trending down move here, it is very bad. Okay, Nifty is all trying to go down, but one thing please do remember, this sideways range can kill it. So please wait. Okay, let's see. One thing please do remember, the buyers do not have any power here. Okay, they are all exhausted. So if there is any kind of trade that you wish to go for, is all about draw some resistance, add resistance. If you are planning to buy the put options, that is where yes you can, but don't do it randomly also. Okay, let's see here. So where do we have the resistance? The only level that you can see here on the screen is all about, this is the one important level. Are we going to get a move till that level? Let's see. Or else I can use today's levels also if I'm going to be getting any proper price action here. Like right now it is going down, and if it goes up here and again goes down, breaks the day low, if it goes down here and if it gives us any negative price action, here I can plan one small trade. But let's see, will that be continuing to go down? That is the big question. So what happens? Okay, so for sure I'm not going to check anything on the open interest, because the market is not trading at any resistance or any support level. It is trading in no trading zone there. Okay, so everybody just be careful. And specifically the banking index, okay, like this will be like the most dangerous one, because if there is one index that can kill many traders, is all about bank Nifty. Okay, because of the size. Okay, because of the level it is trading. Okay, 51,220. Again it got a bounce here about some 40 points, right? Now look at it, like it was looking like okay, it is about to break the day low. Suddenly some 40-50 points reversal that has happened. So that is how that Bank Nifty kills the retail traders. Okay, so momentum moves, please be careful. Everybody, one thing please check here. Time on my clock is 9:30, right? It has been around some 15 minutes. Bank Nifty, look at the volume that is there in options here. Can you see, if you are trading these options, right? Look into this one. Volume is only 29,000. Here it is 72,000. Here it is 1 lakh. Here it is this much. How much it is? 1.95 lakhs. So what we needed to do, we needed to select these round numbers, because that is where we will be getting some really at least some good volume. Okay, For example, if I'm going for, like, let us say if I go by the delta based rule here to select an option, and if I'm selecting this option here, the volume in this is absolutely pretty bad. Okay, so can you hear my voice loud and clear? Please let me know in the chat box. Okay, thank you. So look at it. So again, how many of you can see Bank Nifty is creating some negative price action. First of all, buyers got trapped here. Okay, buyers got trapped, immediately down move. Can you see there? Right, it went up, down, went up, again down, right? So it is all creating that formation of lower high. Okay, so that is a negative price action there. So will we be getting any continuity to the downside? Then if I go by that, then the market has to break the low of this one. Okay, because here buyers again tried but not successful. Okay, let's see what happens. What I'm going to do, like, I'm just going to keep, let's see here, this option. If I'm selecting the delta of that option is somewhere around 4.9, I'm okay to select that, because here if I'm selecting these things, the volume would be the problem. Okay, everybody, I'll just show you something on the screen here. Okay, look into this one. This is the market depth for 51,500 put option. Can you see here the spread? Look at this one, total pending buy orders and total pending sell orders. Look at those numbers. Okay, and look at the volume here, that is almost close to 5 lakhs. Correct? Now everybody, this is the story of 51,500 put option. Okay, and I want to look at 51,600 here. Can you see here something? 51,600. Look at here, the volume traded itself is just about 2 lakhs, and look at this one here, the spread also, and look at these pending buy orders and pending sell orders. There's not much of volume that is getting traded on these, like, let us say 51,600 and 51,800. If you go for that, it will be worst again. I will show you something on the screen here. Look at this one, 17,000 and 15,000. Okay, so not big one. And what I want you to see, everybody, again Bank Nifty here, if you look at this one, it went all the way till this and again got a down move here. That means buyers are really tired. Okay, and even on Nifty also, like, it's been almost over the last 15 minutes, 4 times buyers attempted to take the market up, but again they are getting failed. Let us see, will there be any quick down move? So buyers everywhere, they are getting failed and sellers are dominating here. Okay, they are, every rise is getting sold into. Will this continue to go down? Let's check. So what I'm doing, I'm just adding 51,500 put option in my watch list here of Bank Nifty. Okay, and how about Nifty, in case if there is any scalp opportunities, 10-20 points, which option I want to trade here? 24,000 is trading at expiry is on 2nd of January. This is trading at 280, this is trading at 360. Okay, so I'll keep 24,000. So here please do remember, as per the delta rule, I can select any of these options here. Okay, if I want to buy any put options, look into this one. Okay, so personally, like everybody, I will just go ahead with the higher premium options, 24,100. What is the volume in that? Volume is good. Okay, so I'm just adding 24,100 put option in my watch list of Nifty 2nd of January. Okay, so let us see like will there be any continuity to the downside if I want to plan for any trade here. Bank Nifty is the one which is the most important one here. Negative price action but unable to break the day low. डे लो ब्रेक करने के लिए कोशिश कर रहे हैं, डे लो ब्रेक कर सकते हैं, ठीक है, क्योंकि हमको बैंकिंग स्टॉक्स में अपसाइड पे बड़ा मूव नहीं है कोई बैंक में. विल जस्ट चेक बैंकिंग स्टॉक्स, डू वी हैव एनी big thing. It is only ICICI Bank, but that too it is 0.18. SBI is down, HDFC Bank is also down. Okay, so here if you look at it's all about sellers are dominating. Okay, let's see, like I will put watch list here, and I want you to observe something here, everybody. Though you are getting some move on Nifty, but the similar move is not happening on put options. Can you see here? I want you to see, everybody, here. Can you see here, after this particular candle, like let us say somewhere around 936, after 936 Nifty is making a new low. It is just going like this. It is creating a new low on every candle, correct? So what should happen on options? We should get the similar move, but it is not happening. Can you see here? At 936, it had made a new high here, but after that, no, it did not. Only in this candle made, correct? And it is also very slow there, right? So let us see like what happens. And even everybody, one thing please do remember that 23,700 also becomes the most important one here. Okay, everybody, 23,700 will also be very important level. I will show you why. Okay, I'll just put a line here at 23,700. How many of you can see over the first few days here, 2 days it acted as a support, correct? Again it acted as a support, it acted as a support here. Okay, now will this be a reversal area here? 23,700. Let us check. We'll wait. Okay, so 23,700, will Nifty take any reversal here? If yes, I'm ready to scalp. For that I'm just going to add a call option also in my watch list. Which option I want to add? I want to add 23,400 in my watch list here. Okay, 23,400 call option. Everybody look into this one. What exactly happened on Nifty here? Like these are the moves which will absolutely tempt any trader, okay, to go for a trade there. Everybody look into this one. I repeat it again. For example, Nifty was, no doubt it was going down here, correct? These are the moves which will absolutely tempt you to go and buy a put option, correct? But everybody look into this one. What we were observing here, Nifty was making a low but not a Nifty put option. That means there is something problem. So otherwise I would have gone for a trade there. Like look into this one, correct? Did I take any trade? The answer is no. Okay, now everybody look into this one. What happened? There is some sharp reversal, correct? Now I want to look at Bank Nifty. Wow, what happened here? A move of almost how many points? Specifically 170 points. At the same time again the Bank Nifty is reversing. It's not sustaining there. Okay, everybody, the Bank Nifty is not sustaining there. Very bad. Specifically the people who bought something there. So can I scalp something on Bank Nifty here? Is there any scope to go for a trade here? Because what I believe in, this can absolutely break down. Okay, because these buyers again did not get any follow through in their favor. It just stopped there. How if I can see again, the buyers tried all the things to take the market on the upside, but again they got failed here. Okay. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please do remember whenever you get to see market trading in such range, right? Please be careful. It's okay to miss a trade, but it is not okay to lose big money. Okay. Otherwise, I would have planned for really big trade there, like no doubt at all. Let's see about Nifty here. Nifty again, it went up all the way till 750 here, but again reversed in the same candle, meaning next candle only it reversed. That means again buyers are not so stronger. Okay, even on Bank Nifty also, if you look at this one, that talks about buyers are not capable here, like to take the market up. Like what they did, they took the market up, but again they failed. They failed. Okay. So that will push again market to the downside, there no doubt. Everybody now please do remember, this can be now your intraday resistance here. Okay, I'll mark that zone, just give me 1 minute. Please do remember, this zone will be now your resistance zone. Okay, this entire 20 points, 51,360 to 51,380 will be your resistance zone. Okay, so high of this candle is 378, and the high of this candle is 374. That will be your resistance zone. So what happened there, everybody? Market tried to go up, but it could not sustain. And even Nifty also, like here. Now what did we discuss here? Like everybody, when it comes to Nifty, the very dangerous area to trade here. That's where you got some reversal. And Nifty being having that big support at 23,700. Please take care of that. That's what they will do, like they'll keep on rotating the market. Like easily they will not give you the move in the next 2 days. Okay, just remember that word. They will not give you that easy move in the next 2 days. So if you have any friend in USA or any other country, just ask them. If somebody is running a business, the businesses will be dull. Okay, everybody. So here one thing, if you want to learn from these 4 days, is all about no random trades at any cost. Let the market do what it wants to do, but you please don't go for any random trades. And those whoever have joined specifically, let us say the last 2 batches, meaning 3 days workshop, those who have joined, I will give you another 1 bonus session. Okay, because market has not gone anywhere. There even I also have not taken any trades in these sessions. So keeping in that mind, till I get 1 proper trade in these sessions, I will definitely give you the bonus sessions. Don't worry about it, because I promised you one thing, whatever I teach you, I will show it to you how it works, and it is my responsibility because I believe in whatever the money that you have given it to me. If that has to be like going in my life in a proper way, then I have to give the value for the money that you have invested. I believe in one thing, value, give value. Okay, so don't worry, till I get a trade, I am for sure I'll be giving you the sessions there. Okay, nothing to worry about it. Just check the WhatsApp group. Okay. And this is only specifically for the people, those who joined, like let us say, on the last Sunday before that. Okay. I'm talking about last two batches. So let's see here, like, will there be any continuing or not? Can you see there, like, what exactly they are trying to do? Like, see, for example, these things will absolutely look good, no doubt about it, to go for a trade, right? So this will absolutely tempt any trader, specifically beginner traders. Like you will be getting in your mind, अरे क्या क्या रे, ये क्या बात कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे, मार्केट तो नीचे जा रहे हैं लेकिन ये बोल रहे हैं मार्केट साइडवेज ही रहेगा. That is what how it looks like to you, like when I speak those things, whenever you get such a down moves and I speak, okay, like again I tell, like, okay, fine, there is a support, just be careful at 23,700. Then you will be like, okay, what he is talking about. Then when suddenly you get to see this reversal, right, then you will realize, okay, Vishal is correct. So please do remember one thing, where are we trading? Meaning, we all know that we have the data in front of our eyes that FIs are not active and they're inactive and they're not going to be active also because of the New Year and the Christmas holidays or whatever. Even after knowing these things, like if you are thinking that okay, this down move will continue and go down by a big way, who is at the risk? Is it me or you? Okay, so what happens whenever somebody is really fond of sweets, and if you are asking him to not to eat the sweets, right, like definitely he will get offended, even though he is diabetic. Okay, when you tell a person who is fond of sweets and you tell him okay not to eat, even though his sugar levels are 400 500, like you tell him, if you tell him like okay don't eat sweets, he will get angry, frustrated. Correct? Same thing will happen to most of the traders, like they are fond of taking the trades every day. But when you tell like okay don't trade because of the sideways thing, because of FIs are not active, like you will get offended. But think about these reversals also. Okay, think about these reversals also. And what were we discussing? We were discussing one thing. What is that? If there is one thing that is most dangerous in trading, is all about Bank Nifty. Nothing is happening here. Like that is the most dangerous one. It invites and bury. And look at all these options. Can you see here what it did? It went up slowly and suddenly a collapse. Okay, so please be careful, don't be in a hurry to invest your money, like just be careful. If you want to understand whether the market can give you any breakout or not, right, just look at overall picture here, top 20 gainers and losers. Out of these top 20 stocks, only 2 stocks are up. That means no money is getting into the market there, nobody is buying, like no big money is flowing into the market. Okay, and look at even to the downside, do we have any kind of big down move happening in any of the stocks? The answer is no. Correct? It's only random things happening, like the regular things that are happening in the market, like some stocks are going up, some stocks are going down. That will happen every day, right? So even if you look at Bank Nifty also, to the downside like these many banks, and to the upside only these many banks. Is there any big move happening in ICICI Bank and Axis Bank and Kotak Bank and HDFC and SBI? The answer is no. That means don't expect any kind of big move there. Look at even all other stocks here. For example, JSW Energy. When we had a look at it, it was around 5.69%. Now even that also had gone down here. Correct? Idea we don't trade Adani. It was 3% only. Now here it is. Well and good. Please wait.
Sit. Khali.
So again it is coming back to this territory.
Sit.
Everybody, what it had done, it broke this particular line. Let us see, will this get any continuity on the upside or not? Look at this option, everybody. This was really looking good here. Nifty down. So it missed by a few points. Support was at 23,700. It missed by few points here, around like let us say 9 points. It's okay. It did not touch that support properly. So this one 23, sorry, it is fine Nifty. I will have to add Nifty there. This is right now trading around let's see. If Bank Nifty sustains above this, I would love to scalp something on Nifty, but will there be a momentum trade? That is the big question. That is not. Again, some selling is happening from the highs of the day. From that supply zone, again some selling is happening. Will this take the market down? Everybody look into this one. This is today's high. Another high here. It went above that first time, not continue to move up. It went above that, not continue to move up. Then will we get a move till this 51,300? Another 50 points dip possibly. It may happen. Who knows? Like it can go and hit these levels again back. The first candle reference 51,300. Okay, so here buyers are again getting filled here at the highs of the day, because 2 times they tried to take it, but let's see what happens. Now look at that, everybody. That can just go down and hit these levels here. Okay. So in those cases, what I can do, I can buy some put options here and keep some stop loss here. Okay. Let's see. Will that move?
51,500.
So that has to go and hit this particular line, because this has absolutely failed here. Above that day high, market just completely got failed. Like it did not get any continuity. Let's see. Let's see everybody what happens there. So let us wait. Will that be continuing to move further? Like what I'm expecting, like that has to go down and hit those levels. Okay. The most important thing, everybody, can you see there what exactly happened? It just try to go down, right? It's most important one. Can you see? Are you learning something? Like look into this one, like what they did there, everybody. Look into this one. So this is where they try to take the market on the up, but it did not succeed. So what happened here again, everybody? They took all the way till this one, correct? So this is called as, like, you can call it as a trap. Buyers again getting paid. Okay. So how many of you can see it exactly went till that level and bounced back? Let's see. Will there be any continuity to the downside? So that is where, like, scalping becomes easy. Like you can scalp those things, no doubt. But that's where you got to be like quick. Just refresh this one, just allow me for a few seconds. Thank you. Because here it was double green candles. Look at them, like what they are doing today, just rotate the price between some range here, like first high, second high, it broke out, could not sustain, took till the support level, then moved up. Now what they can do here, like everybody look into this one, they exactly took that level till 51,219. Now again there will be an attempt to hit all these levels here, like small resistances, whatever you have in between, right? Like for example, here you have, and here also you have a few resistances, correct? These are the levels where they will target. But if you ask me, trending move, preferably not. The trending move will be very less. Okay, next 2 days this is how the market is going to remain. Okay. $23,880 is VWAP, yes. It's on Nifty futures, right? Can we use combined OI to trade sideways market? Why, sir? Like, yes, of course you can go for trades, but one thing please do remember. I will give you an idea, sir. Like, really good question, Fayaz. Okay. Okay, this is specifically for sideways market. Okay. Okay. Sir, for a sideways market, you draw a resistance. Okay. This is resistance. Above this, you wait for buyer's trap. Okay, you wait for buyer's traps. Buyer's trap meaning above this resistance market going up and not sustaining and creating some bearish patterns, like how you got it here. Like for example, look into this one, sir. This is where you had a resistance, sharp down move, that's your resistance. Market trying to go above that, correct? 2 times in a row. Here they got failed, here they got failed. Now what happens, sir? For sure there will be some down move happening here. Okay, some reversal happening because buyers are getting failed here. See, if you are getting to see any quick red candles, right? That is where you can enter and go for some put options. Because when buyers are getting trapped, generally it will go and hit the next reference level here. So today I told you, like, this is the reference level, first 5 minutes candle and 51,300. What they did, they took the market till that level and then moved it up. But this is where you have to be, like, sometimes it will be 500 points down move. Sometimes, like today what happened, it just given you around some 50 points move there, correct? So but there you need to enter and exit quickly. Okay, that trade will not be lasting for more than 15 minutes, sir. Okay, because here, like, when that reversal is happening, that will be very quick, sir. Okay, now look into this one. Like, again it is reversing, like again they are trying here, but no, not, they are not sustaining. The buyers are not getting anything in their favor. So what happens? They will give up and that will push the market to the lower side, sir. That's where you can scalp, no doubt in that. Okay, no doubt in sideways market also you can take the trades, but avoid traps, sir. Okay, so here this is your resistance. Above that you wait for buyers getting failed like this, sir. Again you draw a support. Below that you wait for sellers to be getting trapped.
Wow.
Okay, then you go for reversal trade. Definitely those things will absolutely work for you, sir. I'm not saying you don't go for trade in a reversal market. Of course you can go, but the accuracy will not be that great first of all, because what happens, sometimes this will be really quick and you make money. Sometimes what happens, it will take 2 hours to give you the money. By that time the options would have lost the time value, theta effect, and your trade would have hit stop losses. Correct. So that is the reason why I'm saying accuracy will not be that good. But once it gives you, right, like, you look for, if you are looking for only 10-20 points, right, these are the areas wherein you will be getting the best of the best trades. No doubt in that. Rohi Das, like, I have not taken trades in the last 3 days, my dear friend. Okay.
Paris Canada. That is first line beach.
And anyone, if you like, see, for ladies and gentlemen, whatever the money that I have in my account, I have huge respect for it. I don't want to lose it. Because what I believe in, maybe I would have worked for something and I would have got some money in my account. What I believe in is, it is not my money, it is the time that money is staying with me. So I have to have that knowledge and skills so that that money will stay with me for long time. That is what I believe in. This is what I learned from one of my mentors. Vishal, it is, you are saying it is your money. No, it is not your money. It is the time with which money is staying with you. So now you have 2 hands wherein you work like, you should work like, okay, that money has to stay for a long time with you. Okay, see, for example, whenever you open your trading app, right, very first time in the morning, it will pop up out a message. I'll show here everybody. So like, when one of the things, like, it is not me, it is SEBI is giving the report, right? SEBI report for F&O traders. I think I would have shown you last week also. This week also show you.
Bombay மாத்துவாங்கன்னு சொன்னீங்க. அதுக்கு பதிலா இப்போ இங்க பண்றியா அது? கஸ்டமர்ஸ் பார்க்க மாட்டாப்போ. சரி சரி. வேலை பாரு.
This is directly from the SEBI website. Okay. And they are directly saying that A new study conducted by the Securities and Exchange Board of India has revealed that 9 out of individual traders in the equity futures option segment continue to incur significant losses. That means 90% of the people are losing money. Why I am making money? Because I am doing something different than these 90% of the people. As simple as it is. If I am profitable trader today, Rohidas, it is because of one thing, not going for random trades, sir. Because for me it is the toughest job. For you, Rohidas, it is only you. For me, like here, I have to take care of hundreds of people. Okay, because for a mentor, it will always be in their mind like, okay, I have to be hero. I have to take some trade and show these people I am best of the best in the stock market. No, I don't want to become that. What I want to become is profitable trader, sir. Okay. Because like I'll be getting messages like, Vishal, can you handle my money? Can you manage my portfolio? I will give you this much amount of money. Can you give me such returns? Can you give me tips? This I'll give you monthly. I will share you this one. Buy one laptop, share your screen. Like that, I'll be getting several messages, sir. Okay. If I would have said yes till today, only in entire 2024, I would have had a portfolio of 100 crores, sir. But I don't do that. Okay. It is because first of all I have to create this mindset, sir. Like look into this one. It is not said by Vishal. It is all about SEBI. They are only saying 9 out of 10 individual traders. Now you please check. Are you in the list of these 9 traders who are losing money, or are you in the list of this one trader who is making money? Okay, out of 100 people, out of 10 people there. I am in this category. How about you? That's my question. Okay. Simple, sir. Nifty again, not doing anything here. Dayalan Jayaraman, sir. Definitely not, sir. The more let it come, sir. Simple, sir. What my rule says, Vishal, when you draw a resistance, you wait for 60 points candle. Okay. Sir, have we got any 60 points candle here above the resistance first of all? Because it has to go till 51,440 if I calculate 60 points here. Do we have such candles? No. On 1 minute it is no. 3 minutes also no. 5 minutes also no, sir. Then there is no point in checking in that move, sir. Next 2 days, sir, if you can control your emotions, okay, and protect your capital, you have high chances of being a profitable trader. Next 2 days you will lose money, right? Gone, sir. I will tell you, gone. 2025 will be the worst thing for you. Okay, wait for 2 days. Market will for sure will give you the move. Okay. It is just like, sir, when you get married newly, like the very first month, like wife will come to our house, some shastras, then again she will go back to her house, then again she will come back for 1 week here, then she will go back for that, then something comes in between and she'll again go for 1 month. Like I think if you are following these Vedikas, like there will be like some months wherein she will go to her parents also for entire 1 month, right? Then if I don't have that patience of waiting for 1 month, then what happens, sir? I'll be finding some different routes, then gone. Life is gone, sir. Right? Same rule, life rule will apply to the stock market. Okay. For example, here, today we definitely have cricket match, the final day. Let us see what these people are doing in. The moment I open, Rishabh Pant got out. Look at it. Everybody, please look into this one. This person now have to have that patience to bat throughout the days, correct? So for example, how many overs left? 33 overs left. 219 runs is required. Okay. He should have batted for some more overs. Now the next batsman who is coming to the crease, now he has to have that patience, either play defensively or try scoring runs. If he is playing randomly, right, then go on, sir. Now for example, Yashasvi Jaiswal scored 70 runs. Okay, he is the top scorer for India in this innings, correct? His strike rate is only 39%, sir. That means his accuracy of scoring runs is only 40 runs in this match, in this innings. Can I say like, okay, Yashasvi Jaiswal, your strike rate is only 40%? The answer is no. What I need to look at is I need to look at the runs he scored. For example, I'll show you this one. Okay, Nitish Reddy sir. Okay, when he scored that century 114, his strike rate was only 60 sir. Now, can I stand up and clap for the record that he has created? Just 21-year-old, like a boy, like he has scored 114 runs, which I have never did it in my life. He has scored runs in MCG, and I think any player to do that. Now, I have two choices. What is that? Stand and clap because of the record that he has set or done, whatever. Or I have one more choice, sir. Blame him. Put it in my social media just because I have Facebook, Instagram. Arey yaar, Nitish Reddy, you scored only, your strike rate is only 60 runs. How come you are a big batsman? Correct. Now what I look at is number of runs he has scored in test match, sir. Strike rate does not matter. So here for me, I don't look at how many trades that I have taken, sir. What I look at is whether I am a profitable trader or not. That is the most important thing, sir. Okay. So let us see Nifty Bank. So for sure, like I will not plan for any of the big trades over the last 2 days. Tomorrow there is no session. Even I'm also just going outside. Like will not be planning for any trades. Let's see. Okay. And for every one of you, I have that one big suggestion. So for example, initially it went down, and now it is reversing. Now there is very high chance that it can reverse also again. Please be careful, okay? Because we discussed something at the beginning of the session. What is that? Don't expect the market to give you the trending move because FIs are not active. Why FIs? Why I'm not looking at DIs? For example, so here FII and DI data, right? Look into this one. Why we are not looking at anything on DI data? Why we are looking at only FIS? Generally, like if you go by the things, like it is all about the FIs, foreign institutional investor. They are the one who are very aggressive, meaning they are the one who bets big when it comes to the market orders. Okay, the big quantity. DIs, of course, they also do that, but they are just like absorb, meaning when FI is buying, they try to sell. When they are selling, these people will try to accumulate those stocks. Okay, so what I want, these FIs, let them come in. Otherwise, what would have happened? Everybody look into this one. Some real estate. The moment you search something in the Google, that will ads will pop up. Okay, look into this one, everybody. Now, DIs, these people are like, if you look at these gross transactions, purchase and sale, that is 10,000 here, almost 7,000, 11,000, 10,000, 11,000 here. But still, why there is no effect in the market? Because these people generally do not create that momentum kind of a moves in the market. It's all about FIs. Okay. FIs, yes, of course you can do, sir, but as I told you, two things will work in the stock market. Two data, okay. One is momentum data, like the buying activity, big buying or big selling. Okay, big buying will always help you to identify the big moves. Big selling will always help you to identify the big down moves. Okay, for that you can use OFA. Otherwise, another thing, traps. So you draw a resistance, above that buyers got trapped. You can easily catch this down move and make money. You draw a support. If the market is not going below that, and if the sellers are failing here, the recovery will be quick, sir. So for example, today's example could have been better, but what happened, that 23,700, right, that it did not hit, sir. What it did, it just went very close to that, then reversed, sir. Okay, so trap trade, these kind of opportunities, you can absolutely go for it. Okay, Lot size has got a change, any possibilities try. No, Kumar MN. Lot size, no, because of that I will not change anything, sir. See, for example, I'll be trading the same thing, sir, okay? Because of lot size, I will not change, sir. See, look at this one. This is also like, again, here you don't have any big thing above today's high. That means strength in buyers is absolutely not big. Okay. So again, what may happen? This may go and hit this level again, 380 levels. Okay. So here buyers are getting failed. So there is every possibility that it can come down and hit this reference level and move up again. Okay. Pretty simple, everybody. Two things. Either you identify trap, buyer's trap over the next 2 days, or seller's trap, go for it. Otherwise, avoid. Okay. This kind of a move, you will have to wait for it. I'm talking about these kind of down moves. If you are looking for, you'll have to wait at least for next 2 to 3 days. Okay. Specifically, I'm talking about these kind of moves. If you are waiting for, if you are looking for these moves, you'll have to wait for another 2 days. So that won't happen easily because those market movers are inactive. For example, today only like you did not get that continuity, both on Nifty and Bank Nifty, right? Lot size, no sir, please don't change anything. So for example, let us say if I want to buy this option right now, let's say this option, the capital required is all about 21,000. Just because this is 21,000, can I go and select some other option? Like, of course, you will have to proceed with this one, delta, sir. Like this one, no doubt, it is trading at 100 rupees. If you want, you can plan this one. Okay, this may require around, let us say, 8,900, 8,600. But no, small options don't trade. Okay, sorry, this is 0.5. You can absolutely plan for it, no doubt at all. But make sure the delta is big one, sir. Okay, look at it, even Bank Nifty here, everybody, that is the rule of the market, that has to come and hit that this reference level again, whatever the high got created here, 380. Okay, so here this is published by the SEBI, not by any broker, not by any individual trader. Now next year your goal has to be in the category of those people. Okay, everybody, like if you ask me, like I want you to keep this in your notebook, like I'll just dictate everybody, like write it down in your notebook as a new year resolution, goal, whatever you call. Okay, so can I dictate it? If what should be your goal in 2025? Everybody, be a profitable trader. Okay, and I will tell you, like this is what I follow. Okay. See, everybody, your goal should be, I will just give you some random, not random, some glimpses of how I write my own goals. Okay, for example, let's say the year 2025 is about to begin or the next 2 days. What I want to be is, like, if I go by the SEBI report, which they released on 23rd of September 2024, they revealed that 9 out of individual traders in the equity, futures and options segment continue to incur significant losses, meaning out of 10 individual traders, 9 traders are losing money in F&O game, and only 1 trader out of 10 people are making money. So in 2025, I want to be in the list of those people who are making money, not losing money. So that is my primary goal of 2025. For this, I will work to any extent, and I will be dedicated and determined person in order to be in that list. And my first short term goal is to achieve 1 lakh rupees. Okay, by trading Nifty options, Bank Nifty options, or like let us say Fin Nifty options, or even stock options, whatever, even Sensex options. My goal is to achieve 1 lakh rupees. I'm just saying it randomly. Okay. My goal is to achieve 1 lakh rupees by the end of January 28th. If you ask me why January 28th, in my native place, meaning in my grandparents' native place, every year we will be conducting the puja of my grandparent, okay, my grandfather, on every year in the January 2028. Now, being the grandson, till today my father has taken care all the expenses of that rituals. Now from 2025 I want to take care of all those expenses, hence I want to generate about 1 lakh rupees from trading. Okay, this is how I want to write the goals. See the beauty there, everybody. You have a goal and you know how much money you want. So don't say randomly I want to earn 1 lakh rupees, but for what reasons? Okay, simple. Now another goal can be, so that is a short term goal. Another short term goal, for example, let's say another short term goal, anything that can be achieved within 15 to 45 days. Okay, so for example, let us say another goal. Okay, so for example, you can write like this. Anybody can write, okay, I want to buy a new laptop. Okay, but create a story around it. So that is the primary goal of 2025, being a profitable trader. Another goal is to be like, okay, I want to be a profitable trader, and by February 17th I want to get a new laptop. For example, you just go and search in Apple website here. Okay, for example, hope you can see my history here, which I am searching for something. Okay, Apple, you just go to the website, don't go to Chroma or something. Okay, don't look for discounts, everybody. You have to be in a position that you should not be looking for discounts. Very important one. So for example, let us say you want to buy some MacBook Air. So for example, buy, click on this, let's say this one. Okay, so by, you can write like this. So till today I am using Windows 2019 version Lenovo so and so laptop, but with the profit that I
Arjun.
generate, I want to buy a new laptop, MacBook Air, which is M3 chip, 13-inch, 8 crore CPU, 8 crore GPU, 16 GB RAM, and 256 GB SSD storage, and the price of that laptop is somewhere around 1,14,900. So I want to generate the profit of 1,50,000 so that I can buy this laptop, specifically like let us say space gray color. And I want to buy exactly on this store. If you are living, like let us in Bengaluru, you can go for Imagine store. Like, you create a story around it and see the beauty of that goals you achieving it. And that is what I do. I don't write random, okay, I want to buy a MacBook New Air. That anybody can do it. But when you create a story around it and when you read it, right, just imagine when you hit that, how it happens. Okay, so let us see. That is the one task that I will give it to you. Okay, you divide your goals into three things: short term goal, okay, mid term goal, and long term goal. Okay, so here for example, short term, anything that can be achieved over a period of 1 to 3 months. Long term, anything, sorry, mid term, anything in between 3 to 9 months. Long term, anything in between 12 months to 60 months. Okay, so like that you write one goal for today, this one, but create a story around it. Not just goal, I want to buy a new laptop. No, which laptop, which color, which version, which store, on which day, which time. Create a story around it. Midterm goal, it can be buying a new bike. Okay, you create a story around it. Long term, maybe clearing your personal loans, credit card dues, paying like let us say your entire house EMI loan, whatever. You write those stories. At least let us see how many of you give me your goal book here. Do it neatly. Okay, everybody do it neatly. That is the most important one. So let us see how many of you will do that. Giridhar Rao, like my dear friend, in the WhatsApp group also I have sent you the many a times, and even on your WhatsApp also, like I have sent
Hello?
you the website
சொல்லுங்க.
wherein you can see the course videos, and in the live training sessions also I hope I'm considering you have attended, but I'm not sure. Okay. And ladies and gentlemen, for
எனக்கு
your
அது ஃபோட்டோ
note,
எடுத்து அனுப்பணும்.
we're just changing something on the
யாருன்னா
background, like
வந்தாங்கன்னா ஃபோட்டோ
back
எடுத்து
end of
ஃப்ரண்ட்
website.
பேக்
Okay.
இதில் ஃபோட்டோ எடுத்து
So
அனுப்பணும்.
just wait, like 27 December. It is taking some time. We're just making some changes. Maybe by today or tomorrow evening, it will be getting sorted out. Pretty simple, everybody. Whenever you go to website, right? Like here, I think each and every session I will show you. Core section you click, indicators you I use. That is a folder, and December mentorship recordings. Giridhar, it is always displayed on the website. Please check it, sir. Okay. And I hope, as far as my knowledge is concerned, like I have always shown you every session. Okay, this is the folder that you have to visit. Pratibha, can you drop me a message? Giridhar, no, my dear friend. Pratibha, can you drop me a WhatsApp message? I will have a look at it. Like you are saying, like not able to access. Maybe your course would have expired. Okay, but let's see what is the issue. Okay, so December, everybody here, like 27th. Okay, it is. Maybe this is the message that you are getting. I think for the first 3 to 4 people, those who said it is not working, I think I would have replied to you like, okay, clear your internet histories. I beg apologies, and I beg sorry. The problem is from my end. Okay, very important one. But till 26th, everything is working fine. Okay, let's see. I'll speak with the team today, and
மேடமா
that will get sorted out.
இன்னிக்கா
So with that note, everybody, I'll end this session, and tomorrow there will not be any session. Trade cautiously, okay? Don't invest your money by a big way for the next 2 days. Just be careful, okay? But if there is going to be any momentum, unexpected momentum, there you can definitely plan, okay? But here also, if you go by candle size, right, like it is not the very proper one.
ரிவ்யூவில் சொல்லு.
Okay, thank you and have a great day, everybody.
Record.
முடிச்சிட்டாரா? க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிட்டாரு. 10 தானே ஆச்சு மணி. அடப்பா முடிச்சுட்டு போயிட்டாரா அவரு? சிந்தூர் கந்தையா அருள் சேர்க்கும் குமரையா சிந்தூர் கந்தையா சொல்லி
Okay.